In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a Canva template. First, open your web browser and search for Canva. Head to the official site and log into your account so your work automatically saves and you can access all your designs later. Once you're in, look for the Create button. This opens up Canva's design options. Choose what you want to make. Let's use a business card as our example. Then find and select that template size to open the editor. Inside the editor, start by setting your color palette. Click the background of your canvas, then choose the color swatch at the top. Scroll through the color options and pick one that fits your brand. Consistent colors help your template look professional and easy to reuse. Next, add your text. On the left sidebar, click Text, then select Add a text box. Type in the content you want, such as a name. Use the duplicate icon to quickly copy that text for a second line, like a job title. Resize the text by dragging the corners and move it into position by clicking and dragging. Keep an eye on alignment guides to maintain clean spacing. To include a logo, go to Uploads on the left and click Upload Files. Choose your logo from your computer, wait for the upload to complete, then click the uploaded image to add it to the canvas. Resize and position it so it complements your layout without overpowering your text. You can also place your company name at the bottom for a clear brand presence. Now add visual cues for your contact details. Click Elements, search for icons like email, phone, or location, and click the ones you like. Resize and move them into place. Repeat the search and add process for each icon you need. Then add text beside each icon with the relevant information in a clean, readable format. If you want a backside for the business card, click Add Page. You can change the background color again to create contrast, then upload or reuse your logo and type your company or business name to keep the branding consistent. Finish by refining your typography. Click any text to open the toolbar, choose a font style from the drop-down, and adjust the size using the plus and minus controls. To change the text color, click the colored A icon and select a shade that aligns with your palette and maintains good contrast for readability. That's it. Your reusable Canva template is ready to customize anytime.